Hello, this is Blake at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over some information about our very rare sniper wheel. So what we've got here, this is our 21-inch black contrast sniper wheel. Now, fun fact, I named this when I was like 13, so if you're wondering the genius behind the name, that was me. Alright, so what we got here is a 100% American-made, American machine, American aluminum motorcycle wheel. We do it all here in our shop in Hendersonville, Tennessee, just north of Nashville. You will never see any weights on any of our wheels. They're all balanced internally with what we call dynabeads. You don't want to pay $13, $14, $1,500 for a wheel and have some ugly weights on it. A lot of questions I get nowadays on these 2020 and newer bikes are, will their TMPS sensors work? The answer is yes, but you're going to have to use our valve stem. It does not use the 90-degree valve stem that the stock Harley wheels come with. We have an entire video about this, two, I think actually, entire videos about this that I'll have linked down below, so to explain that more thoroughly. So for rotors, we do a one-piece polished floating rotor. We don't do a matching rotor just because, one, the mechanical aspect of the floating rotor is much better. You get much more longevity, hardly any warping. We 3D machine our hubs here, so that way you can see straight through to the wheel design. Again, you don't want to pay so much money for a wheel and cover it up. So we do offer a lifetime warranty on anything we do. It's completely free. There's no purchase necessary. A lot of these guys are offering 2-year warranties, and you can buy an extended warranty. And we don't do any of that. We believe in what we make, so we warranty it for a lifetime. If there's any ever problem with it, please just let us know, and we'll get it taken care of for you. That will wrap up our black contrast sniper wheel.